Welcome to the Sindhi Girl YouTube channel. I'm Bhavna Rajpal and I want to talk to you about why I have started this channel, who am I, and what videos you'll find on this channel, what kind of videos you can expect on this channel. I'm Bhavna Rajpal, a girl who was born in a Sindhi town called Ulasnagar. I want to talk to you about why I wanted to start this channel and why the name The Sindhi Girl. Very briefly. So the Sindhi Girl, as you might have seen, the word Sindhi is in Sindhi script, but the rest of the words are in English. My school and college education was all in English medium institutions, and I have been born in a Sindhi family. I'm very thankful that I can speak the language. All thanks to my parents. Throughout my childhood and in my growing years, Sindhi was the only spoken language in the house. English was kept for school. So I got better at Sindhi as well as English. I feel Sindhi and English both are my mother tongues equally because I think in English sometimes and I express in Sindhi at times. So it's difficult for me to pinpoint which one is my mother tongue, and I wanted this channel to be an extension of me, to be an extension of my personality. That is why I have decided to post videos in Sindhi as well as in English languages. I have also been the director of the Sindhi Film Festival in London and in Paris. Apart from Sindhi cinema, there's more to me and there's more to my life. That more bit is what is going to be on this channel. Everything Sindhi cinema, Sindhi literature, Sindhi drama that I wish the world to know more about will be on the Sindhi Film Festival channel. On this channel will be a little bit of me, a little bit of my life, and you will get to know me personally. On the Sindhi Film Festival, you know what you can expect, but on the Sindhi Girl channel, you can expect to know the girl behind this channel a little more. I am crazy about makeup. I love styling. I love fashion. I love skincare. And there are so many more aspects in life which I would like to talk to you more about. Like you might have seen, there's already a Palak Paneer vlog. I love cooking. I would like this channel to be a place where I can express what I feel about certain topics, where I can express my opinions on certain issues. And also, I would like my voice to be heard by the people who would like to hear it. I would like this channel to be a platform for my views and for what I believe in, for the issues that I would like to talk about. I strongly believe in the power of choices. I have been reading all the time that Sindhi language is dying. I meet Sindhi people, I meet stalwarts of Sindhi literature who strongly believe that Sindhi literature might not exist after a few years. I have been meeting people in London who think that Sindhi as a language is gone, but I firmly believe that a language is alive as long as the last person knowing the language is speaking it. I wanted to do my bit for the Sindhi language, but I didn't want to stand on the roads and shout about preserving Sindhi language or do this, you should be speaking in Sindhi language. I don't believe in shoulds. I believe that we should do what we want to do more than what we should do. So I really want to do my bit, and I also want to be myself. I talk to my friends in Sindhi, I talk to my family in Sindhi. The friends who can speak in Sindhi, I speak to them in Sindhi. The friends who can't, I speak to them in English. So the main reason behind me starting this channel was I left home for further education when I moved to the UK. So since the time I left home, of course, I lost touch with the Indian television. And since many years now, YouTube has been one of my most important digital platforms that I follow, that I watch people on. YouTube has been a very important part of my life since my higher education days in the UK. In the recent few years, there are many fashion bloggers, there are many YouTubers who I've been following in the past few years, and with many different passions, with many different hobbies, and I found that there was a problem, not a problem per se, but there was a gap. I couldn't find someone who was speaking my language. And by language, I don't mean my language, but the other language. I'm not talking about Sindhi per se, but someone with whom I could connect to, given my circumstances, given my upbringing, given my background. So I felt that this channel and me, this channel with me talking in Sindhi and English might fill the gap. I was looking for someone who would talk in Sindhi, who would also talk in English, and with whom I could connect. And when I didn't find any of that, I thought I'll start my own channel according to me. And I would like to express it here that I am making videos which I think I will enjoy watching. I genuinely believe in the power of digital media. I genuinely believe in the power of YouTube. So I wanted to start this YouTube channel so that I can reach out to people who love Sindhi, people who can talk Sindhi. Sindhis, non-Sindhis, doesn't matter, because if you understand Sindhi or if you understand English, you might find a chord that strikes between us. And yeah, I just wanted to genuinely follow my passion project, and I just wanted to be myself. Passion project being talking in Sindhi as well as English. So this will be that. You can find many videos on different aspects that I like: fashion, styling, chilling, makeup, cooking, and also sometimes a little bit just sitting down and chatting with you about maybe a little difficult topics that I find difficult to talk, but I'm comfortable talking about them on camera. I don't know. I am in the beginning stage of my YouTube. So this channel is going to be about Sindhi videos, English videos. I hope you'll support me in this YouTube journey. Please do give me your feedback on the videos that I've already posted and the videos that I will be posting. I hope you liked this video. Share this video and the information about this channel with your friends and family. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.